If you're showing this to children and then saying, "What's the sound?" and the children go, "Ah," don't be surprised when they can't sound out a word like any, or a word like about, or a word like was, or a word like water, and so on. This can represent the sound ah, like in the word ant, but not always. Then don't tell the children that can't be sounded out. The only reason it can't be sounded out is because you're only covering the core code. And the core code is just there to kickstart orthographic learning. So if you want to know how to make sure that the brain can decode, can sound out the word, how to sound it out, join me. We are going to show the code. Word mapping mastery. See you again soon.
N-E-N-E. N-E-N-E.